Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to rename your TikTok playlist. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate it if you can support me by liking this video so the YouTube algorithm can push it out to others who need this tutorial. So renaming your TikTok playlist allows you to give your playlist another name. Maybe you've added a video which talks about something else, so you want to rename it to include that certain topic in the title as well. So let me show you how to do this. Open up your TikTok app. Now tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Tap on the playlist you would like to rename. You should see this window appear with all the videos in the playlist. Tap on the three dots at the top right. Then tap on Change Playlist Name. Delete the name of the playlist and enter in the new name. Once done, press Save. Your TikTok playlist will then be updated to the new name. And that is how to rename a playlist in TikTok. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.